Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I clean 100 lip gloss tubes. So right here I am counting the stoppers. They gave me 102, which is good. So just in case if I lose one, I have extra ones. But yeah, so I'm just counting the stoppers and then I count the actual tubes, make sure they're okay, and then I take them to the kitchen to be washed. Okay, so now we are in the kitchen and then I'm going to turn on the water, and then I also added some hot water, and then there's me filming a TikTok video because you got to make content for both. Another bucket because this pink one, it was too small for the amount of tubes that I had. So everything that I added into the pink bucket, which is like the antibacterial soap, the 91% alcohol, the hot water, and then regular water, I just added it all to that white bucket. Sorry, y'all. Bucket, so I can put half in one and then half in the other. Because it was too hard to try to clean all of them just in that one pink bucket. Okay, so while the tubes are in the kitchen soaking, I'm laying out paper towels so I can lay them on the paper towels for them to dry. I ended up not leaving them in my room. I ended up putting them in the guest room so they could be by themselves. But yeah. Right here, I just rinsed off my strainer, and then I'm taking each tube one by one and making sure that I get all the soap and all the other stuff off of it, because I don't want, when you guys are using one of my lip glosses, you're tasting Dawn dish soap on your lips. Like, no, it's not good. So I'm making sure that I rinse out each tube. I put a little bit of water in each tube, shake it out, make sure all the soap that's inside is gone, and then I carefully rinsed off each stopper, and then I also carefully rinsed off each part of the brush. Okay, everything is all done. Everything is all rinsed off and clean. So right here, I am laying everything out. I put the tubes upside down so all the water can drain out. If you put it right side up, it's just gonna hold the bacteria in there for when it's dry. So try to put it upside down so everything can drain out. But yeah, so I laid all the tubes out on one napkin, and then I put like the tops and the stoppers on another one.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian.
Alright, y'all, so my bad. I guess I did have some of them in my room. All of them couldn't fit on the in the guest room on the dresser, so whatever was left, I just had to put them on a paper towel in my room.
Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? 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 Feel me, baby.
And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.